Hi besties, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Welcome to today's video. So I'm going to be making this amazing hair mask, okay, or will I call it hair deep condition. I hope you enjoy it. Don't forget to subscribe, like, share, and comment. Let's get started. So we're just going to be using two ingredients. One is fenugreek seed and the other one is banana. Okay, this is the ingredient I'm using for today's recipe. I hope you enjoy it. And fenugreek is an amazing hair growth spice. Okay, I'm going to be dropping the benefits on the screen. Okay, guys, so here I'm going to be adding my banana. This my jar, why it's like this is because I use it to blend banana and yogurt. So for drinking. So I would say to still use it to blend it. Okay, that is why it's like this. So I'm just going to add two bananas and I will add my fenugreek. Okay, this fenugreek seed, I have soaked it previously. So I'm using the water to spray on my hair. And now I want to use the seed to for my deep condition. Okay, I have said in my previous video that this my 2 months challenge will be incorporating more of fenugreek. Okay, so I am done blending. I am going to strain or sieve. So you can use your cheesecloth, you can use your wig cap, depending on what you use to remove separate chaff from water. So you can use that to separate this. Okay, it is so thick. It is so is really really amazing for hair growth, hair strengthening. It will gonna moisturize your hair. If you have dry hair, use this and you'll get an instant moisturization, if there is a word like that. Yeah, so I'm going to squeeze it and I'm going to double strain it because I noticed when I was straining it, some of the chaff was falling from the bag. From some of it was falling back inside the one I've already strained. So I'm going to double strain it as well. So you can use this on your wash day. You can use it every once a week on your wash day. You can use it once a month, depending on the routine you are doing on your hair. Okay, guys. So today I just washed my hair and I want to treat my hair. So I'm using this fenugreek to treat it. Fenugreek and banana. Banana promotes hair growth. Okay, banana is rich in potassium, which helps to improve blood circulation and delivers essential nourishment to our hair follicles. Okay, so if you are suffering from hair loss, thinning of hair, try and incorporate banana to either your diet or your hair regimen. So I am going to double strain as I said earlier on because I noticed some chaff falling inside my treatment and I don't want to wash my hair too much so that we don't have stress when rinsing my hair. The oil I'll be using is tea tree oil, one essential oil, and my black castor oil. Okay, if you don't have any of these oils I'm using, you can substitute it for any oil you have in your house. It's going to the main ingredient was the banana and the fenugreek seed. Okay, so I'm just going to be putting few drops inside and I will mix everything and will apply this on my hair. If you watched this extent, thank you so much for watching. Please give the video a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, share, and leave your beautiful comments. So this is the consistency we have. I literally love this. Like this is going to slime straight into your hair. So let's get the application method started. So this is my hair. I have washed it. I transfer it in this application bottle because it's much easier for me to apply. But if you don't have this, you can do normal. Okay, guys. So I am going to apply this all over my hair. I'm going to literally finish everything. Like I want my hair to be super hydrated to benefit from all these ingredients. So I'm going to apply this all over my hair as it's braids. So besties, I am done applying this on my hair. I'm going to use my bag. If you have another kind of bag, you can use it, any nylon, clean film, whatever you have in your house, you can use it just to secure the heat. Okay, so I'll put this on my hair, and I'll also be using my shower cap as well, and I'll be putting a heat cap on my hair, okay, just to make everything penetrate more on my scalp. If you don't have this heat cap, you can just cover your hair with either hot towel or just your shower cap and stay longer, like 1 hour, for it to enter more. But because of I'm using my heat cap, I will stay for like 30 minutes, and I will remove it because I'm sure by 30 minutes everything has penetrated inside my hair follicles. So it is over 30 minutes and I'm done. I'm going to remove this. I'll rinse out my hair and show you guys what my hair looks like. I love the feeling of this. Like, it's literally penetrated inside my hair follicles. I could feel it in my hair follicles. I don't know if you understand what I'm trying to say. So I've rinsed out my hair. This is what my hair looks like. I love it. I'm using my towel, my hair towel for my hair. Okay, so this is what my hair looks like. I love the after result. My hair felt so moisturized. My hair felt so hydrated. Like, I'll show you guys the ends of my hair. It really defined my coils. Just imagine if I was not on braids, I'm sure my coils would be popping. You get? So yeah, you're going to try this. Let me know your thoughts in the comment section. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, like, share, and comment. Can you see that coils, guys? Can you see the coils at the ends of my hair? Like, the ends of my hair is super hydrated. So guys, I'll see you all in my next one. Bye for now.